Hello everyone. Today we are going to study first chapter of 6th standard, that is food. Where does it come from? So first of all we can learn from the chapter name that we are talking about food and from where does we get our food. So there are different kinds of sources of food and that we will discuss in today's class. So let's start with definition of food. Food is nutritious substance that people or animal eat or drink or that plant absorb in order to maintain life and growth. So as we all know, we all humans require food to eat to live our life. We cannot live without food for a long time. Food is essential for both plants and animals. What are the food is used in our body? So there are different usage of food in our body. First is for energy, for growth, for body functions, for wound healing, and for good health. For all these things we need food for our body. Now let's start discussing about the different sources of food. First is plant source of food. The food that we get from plants. We get food from the different parts of plants like roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit, seed. So let's discuss it. Plant roots are used as food. Example, turnip, carrot, radish, beetroot. So these all are roots that we eat. Like next is stem. Stems like potato, coriander, sugarcane. We used to eat the stems of these plants. Next is leaves. Leaves like spinach, cabbage, onion. We used to eat it in our food. And flowers are rose, cauliflower, bohemia, ya kachnar. So these all are the flowers that we used to include in our food. Now next is the fruits on plant used as food. We eat different kind of fruits and we all love eating fruits. So first is pulpy fruit like grapes, banana, apple. All these are pulpy fruits. Next is nuts and dry fruits. Nuts and dry fruit like almond, cashews, currant, kismis. All these are nuts and dry fruits. Walnuts, all these are included in nuts and dry fruits. Next is fruits used as vegetable. So we eat daily vegetable like brinjal, tomato, gourd, beans. So all these are the fruits. Pulpy fruits includes all the fruit that we eat like mango, banana, grapes, apple. Nuts and dry fruits we include for nutrition. Fruits used as vegetables are the different vegetable that we eat. Next is seeds. Some parts of plant are used for eating their seeds like cereals, different cereals that we eat like paddy, maize, rice, corn, wheat, etc. So these all are seeds that we eat. Pulses like gram, green gram, pigeon pea, we eat their seeds. Next is seed yield oil, which is used as food like mustard oil, sesame oil, coconut oil. We used to eat the oil of these seeds. Next is food that come from animals. Till now we have discussed the different parts of plant from where we get food like leaves, stem, roots and seeds, fruits, etc. Now we will talk about the animals. We get different food from the animals like milk, eggs, meat, fish, prawn, crabs or honey. Milk we get from cow, buffalo, goat. Eggs we get from hen. Meat we get from different animals, hen, goat. Fish, prawn and crabs are aquatic animals. Honey we get from honey bees. There is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. If we are living in north, we used to eat dal, chapati and different vegetables. If we are living in south or east, we used to have rice with dal and chapati. The main sources of our food are plants and animals. Food sources from plants are vegetable, pulses, spices, cereals, fruits, oils, etc. Now, food sources from animals. What are the different sources that we get from animals like milk, egg, honey, meat, fish, etc. These food we get from animals. Other sources of food are salt and water. Some food we used to add salt and water in almost every food of ours. In daily diet we use water and salt. Example, animals which only plants are called herbivores. Herbivores are those animals which eat only green plants like cow, goat, sheep. They are called herbivores as they eat only plants. Next is animals which eat only animals. Those animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. For example, tiger, lion, etc. Tiger, lion are carnivores. They used to eat the flesh of other animals. Next question is animals which eat both plants as well as other animals. Means those animals which eat the food as plants and also the flesh of animals, those are called omnivores. Like we human beings are omnivores. Some of us are vegetarian, some of us are non-vegetarian and some of us eat both of them. For example, bear, fox, dog, human beings, etc. So all these are the three different trophic levels. First of all is herbivores. They are called primary consumers. Herbivores are those who eat only green plants. Carnivores are those who eat only the flesh of other animals. And omnivores are those who eat both the things, plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Next is vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian eat only the food from plants. The food we eat from plants, then we will be called vegetarian. And if we eat the flesh of animals, eat animal food like meat, fish, chicken, eggs, then we will be called as non-vegetarian. Animal that live on dead and decaying food is called scavengers. Some animals eat the dead and decaying food like hyenas, vulture. They eat dead and decaying food and they are also called as cleaners as they clean our environment. So scavengers are also called cleaner. They used to clean our environment. They eat the dead bodies of animals, dead and decaying food, organic matters. So they are called cleaners as they clean our environment. So that's all we have discussed about types of different herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and vegetarian and non-vegetarian. And at last we have discussed scavengers who eat dead and decaying food. So that's all for today. We will meet with a new video in a new chapter. Till then, thank you and have a good day to all of you.